I'm TopHatPlus, and this is my car. I make videos, I work, I do everything normal people do. But what isn't so normal is how I got here. I had some health challenges as a child. Despite having all these challenges and all these obstacles and being told I couldn't, I never let it slow me down. I bought this car primarily as a tool. I needed something to motivate me to do what I needed to do every single day that I couldn't find the time to do. And this is it. I bought a Camaro. Many of you know I'm a bow tie fan. I do quite enjoy them. But I bought a Camaro because it was a dream car of mine, as it is for many of you, and I have been quite fortunate enough to share this with you. This is a story about me, but it wouldn't be a story if it didn't involve you, because without you, I wouldn't be able to make the story. So let me take a passenger seat here for just a sec. This is a story about how I took what I wanted to create into what I am creating. It's quite simple, really. I made a lot of videos. I've experimented a lot. I've upgraded my equipment, but I've had a lot of support. I've had a lot of people request different videos and critique my videos and offer me a lot of very constructive criticism that took me from what I was creating to what I wanted to create, which is this. I went from the guy with the GoPro, which was a lot of the videos I was watching, to a person that is working to create stories and share experiences and create visual art. I am telling you the story the way I would want to be told it, and that's what I couldn't find. I didn't feel like I had truly driven the car until I actually took it to the racetrack, which was one of the most adrenaline pumping, intense experiences I have ever experienced. It was unbelievable to roll up to the line and have hundreds of people watch me that I did not know doing something that is relatively risque, with the idea that I could crash and I could lose my car. But of course I didn't, which is probably for the best, because I had a lot more plans for it, and quite frankly the times I put down, that's just the starting point. ACS Composites has been an unbelievable sponsor. ZL1 add-ons tow hook with GoPro mount, rims are painted, ZL1 side skirts from ACS Composites as well, mud flaps from ACS Composites. I'm sure you're noticing a theme. This here I bought from racingbees.com, which is a Canadian company, but it is actually an Icon Motorsport rear deck lid. Exhaust tips, they are factory. Everything about the exhaust is factory. What you just seen is a result of the hitch. Without the hitch, I'm very limited on things I can do. My ability to risk my camera gear and strap them outside of my car while doing speeds or maneuvers is very limited. So having solid mount points, tow hook, hitch, makes it absolutely possible for me to get better rolling shots than anybody can get. I can screenshot videos and get absolute impeccable shots, which will be all of next season. I can get my camera within 8 inches of the ground and have 30 frames per second of true 4K footage, which is, quite frankly, I think a lot cooler than hanging out the side of a car and getting tickets and dealing with the whole, like, you know, potentially dying concept. I'm just not going to die for a photograph. By this point, everybody knows what a Camaro motor looks like. This is a factory one. Nothing special going on here. We do have a Rotofab cold air intake. That is really hot, actually, with the dry filter system. We do have a Mishimoto catch can. I didn't want to buy one of the aftermarket catch cans and start modifying it because I didn't feel like that was right. I really like when things are kind of bent and built to purpose and fit and work as intended. That way it works and I don't have to worry too much about it. But this is really where the Camaro needs to go. This is where I need to start doing things. I'm thinking of doing the MGD, I believe it is. I don't know. The parent company's Holley E-Force intake. I would love one. Ported throttle body, maybe headers, definitely an exhaust. I'm already well in the works of that with MBRP, doing a bit of a custom system, which I can hopefully will end up in a system that you guys can buy off their website, because it will be pretty wild. Yes, I am missing my engine cover over here for the fuel rail. Yes, I am missing the cover over here because it was signed by Al Oppenheiser and I just keep it off the car so it doesn't get ruined. Tower strap brace, carbon fiber by Wildhammer Motorsports would be preferred. If they're watching this video, I do hope they give me a call because I would love to make videos for them for the brace. Aside from that, I want to start getting into internals. I want to do NGK Iridium spark plug upgrade, spark plug wires, just start kind of dressing up the engine bay, making it look pretty, and start doing small performance mods that will all kind of come to an end result later, that if I can get the money put together and a cam and maybe do something crazy and add some, 100 and a bit horsepower, that would be the way we go. But from here on out, I'm really going to be focused less on the visual stuff. I think the car looks every bit as mean and as artful as I had desired, and I think I'm going to focus on getting this thing to run faster and faster lap time. So that is pretty much it for the update on the car. I am currently job shopping. I'm going to be getting into car sales. Job training should be starting next month, and working with the dealership on some of that. I'm getting married next year. It's gonna be a crazy year. I have a lot of stuff to do. I have a lot of goals that I am drastically far behind on, and a lot of things I really need to get caught up on, like payments on this car and bills and just all kinds of stuff. It's been a rough year. I've really struggled. I've really worked hard and I've really tried, but the success and the growth has been limited by my own, I guess, interesting decisions. But you know what? It's a live and learn, and we're doing it together. So next year is going to be wild. The trailer is going to be wild. Cannot wait to strap cameras all over that and do towing videos and do all kinds of stuff. It'll be a crazy, crazy year. So as always, thank you for the support. Let's get to what I'm really known for. B-roll time.
Dodge Road.